Okay, so hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So if you are someone who loves a surprise or wants to rediscover tracks in your favorite playlist, the shuffle mode is your best friend. So instead of hearing these same songs in the same order, shuffle mixes things up for a fresh listening experience every time. Whether you are on your phone during a commute or on your own computer at work, turning on shuffle is basically super easy. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to shuffle a playlist in Amazon Music, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So you can use the mobile app, you can use the website, it depends on you. Some people even use an app on their Windows or whatsoever. So on your phone, go ahead and open the Amazon Music app. On your iPhone or even Android, navigate to your library and choose the playlist or album you want to listen to and tap on it to start playing. So for example, we have this mix, the Beatles mix for example. So once the music starts, look at the bottom of your screen, you will see a bar showing the song that you are currently playing. So for example, if I start this song, here you go, this is the bar. So you can tap on the bar to open basically the whole song automatically. You will be able to see a heart to like the song whatsoever. And we also have this actual button here, so you can basically play or shuffle your playlist. So if you are using the app on the now playing screen, find the row of playback controls. You are looking for the shuffle icon like this, which looks like two overlapping arrows, just like this one. If you tap it again, it will turn white or gray. It will turn shuffle off, and that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.